What's going on, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. How would you like to do nothing and earn money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do nothing and earn money for free. So, if you want to find out, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do nothing and earn money for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers that I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos when they drop. And hit that like button for me. It's going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop that comment down below if you have any questions, any concerns, or opinions about what I'm discussing in this video. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to say this. I'm going to give away some free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Now, what you have to do, I'm going to put that down in the comments below. Go check down in the comments for the instructions, but I'm going to tell you the most important part of the free money giveaway. Watch this video all the way to the very end. And you need to give me a like. But you need to watch this video all the way to the very end and look for a code word. It's going to pop up somewhere in this video. It could be at the end, could be in the middle, but you just need to watch it all the way through and watch for that code word. Once you see that code word, put it down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, hopefully in 2 weeks, I'm going to randomly pick that person. Matter of fact, 2 people that have that code word, and I'm going to award them with some free money. So again, if you don't understand the instructions, just check down in the comments. It's going to be down there. But most importantly, you need to watch this video all the way to the very end and look for that code word. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of the website is lifecoin.ai. Now, on this website, what you're going to do is get paid to walk. So that's practically doing nothing. I mean, you have to walk every day anyway. So you really, walking is second nature. So you're really getting paid for doing nothing. Now, it's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit about it. So when you walk, you're gonna earn some life coins, and you can redeem those life coins in for amazing prizes. So you can redeem it for Apple iPhone 10, $100 PayPal gift card, a drone, $50 Amazon card, some Apple AirPods, iTunes gift card, and Lululemon gift card. I'm sure women will probably want to use this. And also a Series 3 Apple Watch. So they got a lot of good prizes, a lot of cool prizes you guys can get once you get enough life coins. But I know most of you guys probably want to get this $100 PayPal gift card because everybody needs that money. All right, let's scroll down here and just look at the interface. So when you download the app, this is how it's going to look inside. Hopefully you can make $284 or life coins. And you'll be able to go ahead and cash out with any of those prizes we just looked at. So it says turn daily walks into mining sessions. So collect life coins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. And here's another way you can earn some money. You can become an ambassador for life. And an ambassador is something similar to part of a referral program where you refer people. So it says here, want to spread the joy of wellness and rewards? Then sign up to join our ambassador program and earn more money. So you just click here, sign up for the ambassador program, and all you're going to do is just promote Lifecoin. When somebody joins, you get paid. Let's just go ahead and click right here and see what else they says about this. So it just takes you to the sign up page. It's real easy. You just got to put in your email address. And it says here, thank you for your interest in becoming a Lifecoin ambassador. We are currently taking preliminary sign-ups and we'll be introducing the details of the program. Please leave your email and they get back with you. So that's all you have to do is you leave your email. I've been part of an ambassador program, so all you're going to really be doing is promoting Lifecoin, and when somebody signs up or joins, you're going to get a simple, maybe a percentage of their when they use the coin, just like a referral program, or they'll give you a prize or maybe some Lifecoins to redeem. So it all depends, and you'll find that out once you sign up with this ambassador program. So guys, that's all I want to say about this website here. So if you're ready to make some money, just walking, basically doing nothing, go ahead and go to lifecoin.ai. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please don't forget to type the code word that flashes across the screen in the comments below. And guys, please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And also, I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. So if you share it, that's going to help me get there faster. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, I just want to say thank you again for helping me get to 4,000 subscribers. Now, road to 5,000, and my ultimate goal for this year, by the end of December 31st, by the end of this year, I want to be at 10,000 subscribers. I know that sounds like a big number, but guys, with you guys' help, I know I can get there. Matter of fact, it's not I can get there, we can get there, because this is not my channel. This is the Grind Family channel, and we can make it. I know we can make it to 10,000 by the end of this year. So share this, hit that like button, and keep watching all my videos and watch us get there. Okay, Grind family, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Take care.